Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to file for zero VAT on Rev360. So let's get down to it. So as of the time of making this video, it is 2nd of July 2026, meaning the filing for June 2026 is open already, and I think we have less than 19 days or 18 days. So let's get back to filing for zero VAT. So what you do, you log into your Rev360 portal, then you navigate to your self-tax filing. Note you might not see it, you might not see the tax due, just like the way it is on Tax Pro Max, that it appears every time. So you have to generate it, then click on tax due, go to request assessment, choose your tax type, value added tax. Okay, look at it, the month of June, click on it, one copy, generate assessment, confirm and generate. Alright, look at it, successfully generated. June 2026, not filed in view during 19 days. So you go ahead and file it, final. Okay, you download the VAT template. Once you download the VAT template, because we are filing for zero VAT, you download and re-upload. So after uploading it back without editing anything on it, because we are doing new filing, you click on upload assessment. Alright, after uploading assessment, you click on I accept this declaration. Everything should be new. Everything should be new. Then click on file returns. Return filed, successful. Yes, as you can see, we filed for. Let's go back and check. It's empty now. So we filed for the month of June. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, kindly hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment below so we can make more videos like this. Thank you.